In this video, I will demonstrate and explain the parameters used to create a C-axis face contour toolpath. Select Toolpaths, C-axis, Face Contour. Select the OK button to accept the default NC name. When the chaining dialog box appears, use the window zoom and zoom in on the ellipse and then select it and pick the OK button. From the tree view list, choose Tool. We are going to pick a 3/4 inch flat end mill from the library using the filter method. First, input the comment, machine the ellipse. Now click on the Select Library Tool button. Our 3/4 inch flat end mill appears because of a previous operation. For us to have selected this tool, we would have clicked Filter, selected None, enabled Flat End Mill, set the tool diameter to equal, and input a value of 0.75. Now select the OK button. Now click on the 3/4 inch flat end mill in the tool list as shown, and click the OK button to exit the dialog box. The 3/4 inch flat end mill should now appear in the tool list as shown. From here, select Cut Parameters and set the compensation direction to right. Ensure the rest of your parameters appear as shown. Choose Multi-Passes now and ensure that this option is enabled. Input a rough number of passes equal to 2 and then input a spacing of 0.25. Also, set the finished number of passes to 1 with a spacing of 0.005. Finally, ensure Machine Finish Passes at Final Depth is enabled and enable Keep Tool Down. Now pick Linking Parameters. Enable Clearance and set the value to 0.25. Make sure to disable the option Use Clearance only at the start and end of operation. Input a retract amount of 0.1, a feed plane amount of 0.1, and a depth of -0.15. Now select the OK button to generate the C-axis toolpath. Your toolpath will appear as shown. Next, I will show you how to check your parts using Backplot and Verify. To backplot the operation we have done so far, click the backplot icon in the Operations Manager. Backplotting shows the path the tools take to cut the part. This display lets you spot errors in the program before you machine the part. As you backplot toolpaths, Mastercam displays additional information such as the X, Y, and Z coordinates, the path length, the minimum and maximum coordinates, and the cycle time. It also shows any collisions between the workpiece and the tool. From here, select the Backplot tab. Ensure that the following buttons are enabled: All Operations, Follow, and Leads. You can now click the Home tab. Make sure the following settings are enabled: Tool, and Workpiece. Finally, you can select the Play Simulation button to run the backplot. Select Isometric View and Fit Screen to view your part. You can zoom in on your part using the mouse. Your toolpath should appear as shown. From here, select the Verify button. We will now simulate the toolpath and verify. Verify mode shows the path the tools take to cut the part with material removal. This display lets you spot errors in the program before you machine the part. As you verify toolpaths, Mastercam displays additional information such as the X, Y, and Z coordinates, the path length, the minimum and maximum coordinates, and the cycle time. It also shows any collisions between the workpiece and the tool. Ensure that the following are enabled: Tool, Fixtures, Stock, and Workpiece. You can now select the play button. Your part will appear as shown. To exit Verify, click the close icon. This will complete the C-axis face contour toolpath for tutorial number 8. In the next video, I will demonstrate the necessary parameters to create a C-axis cross contour toolpath.